Okay, the power of goal setting. Ito yung last ng content theories. So we're not only motivated by our internal needs, or we're not only motivated by the way our jobs are designed, but we are motivated by the goals we set for ourselves. And I'm sure this is something that you can relate to easily. Don't we all set goals for ourselves? Something we want to achieve. Gusto ko maging artista, 'di ba? Or gusto ko maging CPA, yon. And some end state where we want to be, 'di ba? We make our to-do list with the goals that we want to achieve for today, 'di ba? We may engage in a more formal management by objectives type of process in our organization, and we tend to set goals with our managers in terms of for what we want to achieve. Maybe you even set goals for yourself for this course, right? Kasi mahal na mahal nyo yung HBO. You want to achieve a certain learning, a certain state of knowing and interpreting where you want to be at the end. Then goal setting theory is also a theory which is really well supported in literature. Madami na nag-research nito. So we know that setting goals for people or for yourself is a very good way to move your behavior in a certain direction. Bango na Rhea, may gagawin ka pa. At Dre, ito yung checklist mo. And there's three characteristics that basically stand out that we have to think about when setting goals for ourselves or for others. Actually, merong ding tinatawing SMART, 'di ba? Specific, measurable, attainable, reasonable, time, time bound. But this one, itong tatlo lang muna tayo focus. And this is, we want our goals to be specific, we want them to be challenging, and we want people to commit to them. So we want goals to be specific. Goals, eto, can you remember when maybe in the early days nung mga bata pa tayo, dahil yung mama mo, sabi ng mama mo, well, anak, galingan mo lang. Just do your best. That is good enough. And there's really nothing more that we can do. Wala na tayong magagawa. Gawin mo na lang ang kaya mo. Turns out, this is not a very good advice. Specific goals than to work better in terms of motivating us or driving our behavior in a certain direction than goals that just say do your best or that are really more malabo, vaguely determined, 'di ba? So, eto isa sa mga um, dialogue or discussion board natin today. Why do you think hearing just do your best is not as motivating as setting a more specific goal? What is a specific goal then? Let's think back again on your motivation for this course. A very specific goal would be if you would say for yourself, I'm going to work on this course. Magbabasa ako ng mga libro ni ma'am, magkikinig ako sa mga videos, magsasagot ako sa mga um, discussion board. Gagawin ko to tuwing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday between 7 and 9. And this is a very specific goal because you commit to something and you have specified exactly the time and what you're going to be doing with it. And the second aspect, you also want your goals to be challenging. And challenging basically means not too easy, but also not too difficult. So challenging goals tend to do more for energizing us, for moving our behavior than goals that are easy because we know, right? We can achieve it. We've done it in the past, and there's nothing so much that we really worry about. So on the other hand, pag masyado namang mahirap, if goals are too difficult, this is also not motivating us because if we basically know in ourselves that it's unlikely that we're going to be achieving it in the first place, well, why bother? So goals need to be at the optimum level where it's difficult enough so that we have some slightly worry about where we will be able to achieve it. But on the other hand, not too difficult so that we are demotivated, 'di ba? So, pwede nating sabihin, eto, babasahin ko din yung ano ni ma'am, yung mga slides and PDF ni ma'am na ina-upload. Tapos, ina-note ko din do'n yung mga based from experience ko. Pero kung yung tipong, magto-thorough research talaga ako, titingnan ko yung iba't ibang libro, naubos ng oras mo. Hindi na yun very challenging for you. Maybe you can just watch other videos or maybe one or two lang na mga babasahin na online, pirated books about the topics, 'di ba? Maybe that's a good challenge, 'di ba? Or maybe pwede ka din mag-interview. Grabe, OA naman din yun, 'di ba? Yung kaya mo lang and nasa-challenge ka. For this, the third factor for our goals is we want people to commit to it. And this is also it's something that maybe you can relate to. If you get a goal from someone tells you to achieve something, is it exactly the same than when you set goals for yourself? It's not really the same. And it tends really to depend on your commitment that you have for that goal. Ikaw, yung nag-set ng goals, hindi yung ibang tao. Minsan kasi may nagmamando sa'yo. Feeling mo, inmamanduhan ka. Parang gano'n. So the goals that you set for yourselves, when no one is forcing you in any way, tend to be a more powerful driver than goals that is set for you by others. Yung tipong ikaw nagkukusa na, nag-initiative na. Now, it's not really to say that people cannot set goals for others or hindi na sila pwedeng magsabi ng mga gagawin nila or that if you get goals from your manager, it's not to say that these goals can never be motivating. Not at all. That's not what I'm saying. But it is important that from a personal perspective, you commit to the outcome. Minsan, di ba, kayong magti-team sa isang trabaho or sa isang project, may mga goals kayo. E di yung leader nyo, nagsabi sa iyo, o ito dapat matapos na natin to para magawa ko na to. 'Di ba? Parang may ganon. And then therefore, namomotivate ka din na matapos to sa ganito paraan, 'di ba? Ang importante nagko-commit ka, "Oo, gagawin ko 'yan, kasi gusto natin matapos ang project natin sa ganitong oras." So you really have to want to achieve that goal in order for it to be motivating. So committed, parang sa relasyon lang, a strong personal commitment to goals is essentially for success. Self-set goals often yield greater motivation compared to externally imposed goals or enhancing the likelihood of achievement. So, yon. In conclusion, motivation is enhanced by setting specific, challenging, and committed goals. So consider these steps to apply in your personal and professional life. You reflect on your current goals. Nasaan ba ako ngayon? and adjust them. Number two, to ensure that they are specific and challenging. And number three, make a personal commitment to achieve them. Kaya ko to, matatapos ko to. Remember, when you set clear targets, you unlock your motivation. Nakafocus ka doon. Hindi ka nagne-Netflix, and you've paved the way for success. So you have to take action today. Set your next goal with clarity, challenge, and commitment to unlock your motivation. So just to recap, we've come to understand to the end of the understanding of what motivates us. We've looked at internal needs, we've looked at the job characteristics, and now finally, we've been looking at the goals we set for ourselves. So these are important factors in understanding our motivations and in understanding why we do what we do. But they are not really a full story. Meron pa yung karugtong because there's also something in the process. How? How are we motivated? And this is going to be the topic of the next sequence where we focus on the process oriented theory. I'll see you next meeting.